I love the ritual of cleaning the car before I go hit the streets. It's the same thing with like ironing your t-shirt, making sure your kicks look clean. You get your car ready, then you go get ready and get showered up.
The Slick Wash formula. First, you open it up, you begin to pour it into the bucket, the smell, the fragrance, that nice sunshine apple smell. You immediately put a smile on your face. The foam, so important, the lubrication of this. The reason it's called Slick Wash, because we want that wash to go on the surface, to glide across the surface, not leaving any swirls, not stopping and starting so that you're getting any kind of damage to the paint. So super slick, easily glide over the car, nice thick foam, and obviously cleans the car and leaves a nice shine behind. So we want you to enjoy it. We believe that having a great scent, specifically in the Slick Wash, you're going to enjoy that cleaning so much more as you glide across the car, having that nice fragrance there while you're doing the job.